Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a beautiful 2019 Chevy Corvette ZR1. This one is a Sebring orange. Underneath it is a 6.2 V8 supercharger with 755 horsepower and 715 pounds of torque. Carbon fiber in the front, side, and rear, all over the vehicle. 19s in the front and 20s in the rear, staggered. Carbon ceramic brakes, jet black with orange stitching, carbon fiber seats, some more carbon on the dash and wheel, carbon fiber wing. Opening up the trunk, clean set of floor mats, soft closing trunk, ZR1 badging, nice quad exhaust, Bose sound system, heads up display. This one is the convertible, so you can retract the roof with this button. Steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, 8-speed automatic transmission, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, more space behind the media display with the USB port. Climate control, heated and cooled seats. This Corvette has 2,398 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this beautiful Corvette, visit us at feldmanimports.com.